We're here at Collegetown Center on the 5th floor. We're just a little bit more than halfway down the hallway. We're going into studio apartment 515. So this is a 5-floor elevator building, and this is a north rectangle style studio. This is our standard studio model. So we see a lot of these. The main differences will be basically just the position on the floor and what you see out the window. And again, we're on the north side of the building. That's the Dryden Road side. These kitchens are always the same. You'll see that refrigerator. The dishwasher is under the sink. There's a microwave and that electric stove and oven. And you can see cabinets both above and below, as well as a pair of drawers. In this apartment, the bathroom is across from the kitchen. Let's take a look in there. You can see the tub shower with the sliding door. There's the sink with the cabinet underneath, the large mirror, the light overhead. There's the toilet. You can see a rack for towels and that small cabinet. Over on the wall, you can see the knob for the fan, and you should be using the fan in the bathroom when you're showering to help pull moisture from the room. And as we go into the apartment, the closet is here on our right. And the closet, you can see the shelf with the hanging bar and some floor space in here. As we go into the apartment, here's our dining table and chair, the bookshelf, the full-size bed, the dresser, and we have the desk and chair placed over here in this one. You may move the furniture around however you like within the apartments. You can see we definitely have some good floor space over in this one. As you're setting the apartments up, you want to be aware of a couple things. Make sure you know where your internet jack is. Here in Collegetown Center, the internet jack will typically have that sticker with a number on it, and the port will usually be a different color. If you don't see that, then you are probably trying to access a phone jack, so that won't help you get internet set up. Also, make sure that you're not blocking your heater. You need to be able to have your heater free and clear of any objects in front of it so that your heat can circulate freely in the winter months. This is the north side or Dryden Road side of the building, so we have the best people watching over here. We're up pretty high on the 5th floor. Over to our left, that red building is Collegetown Plaza. I'm gonna zoom a little bit so we can see some of that valley view that we have over there. So we do still have some nice green sky, green valley and blue sky over that way. Let's get back over. So at the right is the intersection, is looking towards the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. That's the main intersection of our Collegetown neighborhood at our corner, and that is the heart of this Collegetown neighborhood and is located at 1 block from campus. So that's a look at another studio here at Collegetown Center, 151 Dryden Road, right here in central Collegetown.